to watch The Ugly Duckling by Northern Ballet. Why is it important to watch ballet?
I think it's really important for children to watch ballet because they have to use their imaginations to project themselves into being animals or birds or trees, and it's so good for them to learn to move around like other beings.
What was your favourite part about the show? That there's really good ballet dancers. What was your favourite part of the show? It was when the frogs let the ugly duckling join in to the dance that they were doing because they were being kind. What's your favourite part about the show? When the frogs popped out. This is absolutely cracking, so grab your tickets and we're coming to a theatre near you.